Hello, and welcome back. It's always a pleasure to provide you with informative content. We now address the question, will traditional SEO be replaced by GEO? The direct and reassuring answer to this very important query is no. Generative engine optimization will not replace SEO, but it marks a revolutionary advancement that is reshaping the methods used to ensure digital visibility. The reality is, GEO enhances and accelerates SEO by helping brands achieve greater visibility across both traditional search engines and AI-driven platforms such as ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok 4 and Microsoft Copilot, to name a few. Therefore, rather than replacing SEO, GEO and SEO work together as part of the evolution of search engine optimization. GEO's innovative approach to AI-powered search results opens entirely new opportunities for businesses to expand their customer base, which SEO on its own is not able to provide access to. Research shows that 68% of digital marketers now integrate GEO and SEO strategies to stay competitive across all search platforms. While SEO remains essential for ranking in traditional search engines and providing the foundation that AI systems learn from, GEO focuses on optimizing content for AI-generated responses and direct citations in conversational AI platforms. One way we simplify this relationship between SEO and GEO is to frame it that SEO is the foundation strategy that gets your content indexed by search engines, while GEO convinces AI generative engines to use your content as the direct answer to users' queries. Understanding this complementary relationship is crucial for businesses that want to maximize their digital reach and harness the full potential of this newly emerging and essential content strategy. This essentially symbiotic relationship between SEO and GEO is very well received by the vast majority of companies who have invested heavily in SEO. Now all they need to do is integrate a comprehensive GEO strategy into their online content, so they can maximize their chances of retaining and building upon their existing customer base. So there you have it. We hope this video has provided you with the clear answer you were looking for, and as always, we look forward to seeing you in the next one.